Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your post on Facebook with any friend. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, what you need to do, go to your Facebook profile. Here you can see your Facebook profile. Go to your Facebook profile. After that, go to uh, your posts. Here you can see your all posts. How to hide any post from your any specific friend. This is very quick and easy. What you need to do here, you need to select any post you want to hide from any your friend. Now click on this three dots. Here you can see click on this three dots. Here you can see click on this three dots. After that, here click on edit privacy. After that, here you can see, now click on friend accept. Click on this, and here you need to search any friend. Here you need to block your any specific friend. From here you can also hide your any specific friend to see your post. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Go back, and here you can see, go back, and here you can see this setting is saved. In this way you can hide your post on Facebook with your any specific friend.